Huli namang sumubok si Kisses na nakakuha ng pinakamaraming padalak mula sa online world, kaya naman nagsimula ito agad sa
Priya.
pangalawang game.
I am ready.
Get set. Go.
Po nung nakarating na po ako sa task, nung ako pa po tuloy yung nataranta. Nagulat po ako na ganun po kasi I don't feel like I'm capable enough. Felt like I wasn't ready yet for some physical action. I was nervous, really nervous, kasi I knew that the boys run really fast. And while I'm here, I'm not athletic, I don't even run, except on the treadmill. And I was nervous, really nervous.
Sa loob ng 11 taon ako sa kanlungan ni Maria, marami na akong nakitang mga kabataan na nagsasayaw.
Favorite flower niyo na
Yung sampagita. Kasi may amo, mabango.
Alam ko sa sarili ko na I'm not quick sa pagtatakbo or pag-open ng key. I knew na si Lola Pina, I knew her from the heart. I think that's very important. I run really fast and kahit natataranta po ako, kuya, I did my very best in there. With what I have done, that's like the fastest run I have ever run in my entire life.